Morning. On a road trip somewhere.
Where are we going?
Okay. So we are, what do you call it? We're in Seremban on a little road trip, me and Anne. But at the same time, we have a little bit of a little plan of what we're trying to do. And as you can see from behind us, we have a little race bike or a track bike. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and look for some of the tracks that are nearby. One is the Malacca track and the other one is the Tangkak track. So we're going to go to both today and we'll see if we can actually ride there. And if we do, and if we can, we'll probably plan some track days or something like that in the future. Exciting. Absolutely better than, what do you call it? Just having the option of only riding in Sepang. Now we can actually have the option of riding in various other tracks in Malaysia. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay. Hi guys, so if you're wondering how we carry the bike around, there it is. And my bike, my gear, everything, all our gear, all our clothes, all in one little package right there. We're here at Tangkak racing circuit. So we're going to the paddock. Just gonna give it a try today. Just play around, you know, do a few laps, just see how it feels, how fun it be. There's a Capri team, but they have allowed me to just do a few laps on my own because I'm not really a Capri person anyway. It's gonna be fun. And I just want to take some videos of the track. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go and do a few laps. I've never actually been here before. It's gonna be fun because the track is actually, it looks really good. I'm gonna try to take videos of the track later on, but as far as I can tell you right now, there's elevation changes. Very clean. And it has this really nice paddock where you can actually just chill. It's not that hot. You know, like some places really hot. There's no place to rest. So Anne is going to go into the hot sun and video in some videos. So you all owe her a drink. So after that I went out for the last session and tried going around for about a good, I don't know, 15 minutes, 10 laps. I won't show you all 10 laps, that would be really boring, so I'll just walk you through some of the final laps that I did on that last session. Here we go! So the first part of this track is this start finish straight. It's about 100 meters long before you approach this left sweeping turn, and it immediately goes uphill and then a left and right chicane, and then you go straight, shift gears to third, fourth maybe, depending on the power of your bike, brake, turn to the right, accelerate, go up one gear, brake again, downshift, and then turn, and then go up and go all the way to the fourth gear as you approach this small long sweeping turn, and then you have to brake hard for this tight left, and then you're back on the start finish straight again. There were parts of the track that were a bit bumpy, so I had to widen my line to avoid those parts. The most interesting part of this track would be this part, a downhill chicane that is very reminiscent of the corkscrew of Laguna Seca. Sure, it's not as high as the original, not as fast as the original, but I tip my hat off to the person that designed this part, because it sure does give the same sensation. All in all, a really great and fun track. And I'm looking forward to coming back here again in the future.